Today is Wednesday, which means it's our Wednesday exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osisere, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we continue our free weight exercise series with dumbbell back rows. Here we go. So with dumbbell back rows, we know that we're going to be squeezing our back muscles. And as you can see here, I'm lifting up the weights parallels unilaterally and making sure that I pick up the weights and my arms by squeezing my back, okay? Not lifting with my arms, lifting my arms by pinching my shoulder blades together and squeezing between my back. That's what's going to really work out those rhomboid muscles in the middle there. Okay, so with bent over dumbbell rows like this, you want to make sure that you're doing a couple of things as you bend over. The first thing is you want to make sure that your chest is up and poked out. And then the second thing is you want to complement that by squeezing your lower back at the same time while you're bent over, okay? Chest up, squeezing your lower back, and then of course you're bringing those weights up as you squeeze in between your shoulder blades, and that's going to lift that dumbbell right up and then slowly bring it back down. Okay, so now from this last angle, again, you want to make sure that you're bringing up the weights by pinching between your shoulder blades, and then you can also add like a slight pause if you'd like. That's just going to help to get a little bit more control, and then slowly bringing it back down. And that's just a different way to throw your muscle memory off a little bit. So that is how you do a dumbbell bent over row, guys. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.